everyone. My name is Kelvin Ang Ken, and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and also a Microsoft Office specialist. Now, in this video 118, I'm going to show you how you can use PowerQuery to collect data from multiple worksheets. And later, when you add another worksheet to your Excel file, this new worksheet that contains the same structured data will be collected automatically. So let's take a look at what I mean. All right, so let's take a look now. If you look here in my database, all is empty, I'm going to collect the data into this worksheet. So what I'm going to have here is a data from 2 years, sales 2021, sales 2022. So this is a multiple worksheet that I'm talking about. First, I'm going to load this. Okay. Then later, once I've completed the process, I have another worksheet here, which is year 2023, which I'm going to drop inside here into this collected worksheets here. And I want my data to be collected automatically. All right. So now in order to make this work, my file has to be closed. So I have to close this file first. Okay. So I'm going to save this one. So I go back to this empty sheets, which I record just now. So I go to this data to get data from file, from Excel. So I'm going to look for the file that I show you just now, 2080 data. Right, there you go. So I'm going to, I can of course click this and I choose these two worksheets and it will be collected. Now that's not what I want. If I do that, if I add another sales 2023, it won't work. So I'm going to click the folder instead. Instead of clicking which worksheets, I'm going to select the folder. So whenever I add another worksheet here, it will be collected. So let's do a transform. Now there's a little bit of thing that you need to do in this particular file here, which means I'm going to select these two columns. This two column is what I need. Right, the rest I don't need it. So I'm going to right click this, remove other column. So in the event there's other columns involved, I will not need it. So I'm going to extract this now. Let me just put this one in front. I'm going to extract this table. I'm not going to use the original column prefix. So I'm just going to click OK. Ta-da! I have done it. So I'm just going to make my first row as my header. All right. So I'm just going to change this title to years. Y-E-A-R-S. Yes. Oops. Sorry about that spelling. Y-E-A-R-S. Yes. Right. So done. Now I have both year. Okay, I just get to load 2021, 2022. Now for each of the file that I load in, it will contain the same data. So I'm just going to go to this order number. I'm just going to tell them to sort ascending. So if I do that, you see this title appear again. So I'm just going to remove that. I'm not worried about the error because I'm going to uncheck this anyway. Ta-da! It will be gone. So now I have my data done in a way that I already collected 2 years data. So I'm just going to load this out, close and load. I'm going to put it into the existing worksheet, which is blank here. Just click OK. See, they are altogether 26,565 rows of data collected. Right, so far so good. Now, if I open up my other Excel file, which is that year 2018 data collected. See, I have only year 2021, year 2022. And I told you before that I have another file here, which is for year 2023. So all I need to do is just drag it over, hold on my control. I just make a copy and put it into this version 2023 into this together. So I added another worksheet now here. So I'm just going to save this. Save. Okay, now this file contains another worksheet which for year 2023. So I need to close this. So I say yes, I'm going to save it. Now, all I need to do is just double check here again. So I see I have year 2021, year 2022. All I need to do is just right click and refresh. Guess what? If you look at the number of record, it's 45,000 now. So if I click this, see I have 2 years. There you go. So not that complicated after all, right? So now I have everything. Right. I have to take away the select all. Oops, sorry, the select all need to be there. Okay, so it looks like we are in in the way that we have collected. So if I have another year for next year, 2024, then it will be collected as well. So I hope this will help you collect your data effectively using Power Query. Now, please like and share this video, and please give it to those of your friends, yourself, or whoever that need this kind of solution. Please get them to like and share my video as well. So please join and subscribe my YouTube channel, like my TikTok, and become my follower. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video, which is going to be video 119. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Signing out.